How much should you really spend on a stainless steel air fryer? I've seen people drop over $200 thinking they're getting the best, only to return it a week later. Meanwhile, others grab a $100 model and are shocked at how well it works. The truth, price doesn't always tell the real story. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real contenders. Product number 1, Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT. First up, the Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT. This one caught my eye because it's not just another basic air fryer, it's packed with smart tech and a premium ceramic coating. At $114, it sits right in that sweet spot between budget and high-end. If you want restaurant-level crisp without the deep fryer guilt, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cosori's TurboBlaze tech uses a 3600 RPM fan and hits up to 450 degrees F, which means faster cooking and that golden crunch you crave. The 5-level fan speed system gives precise control, no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. Plus, the 6-quart square basket fits a whole chicken or enough fries for a family of 4. And with 95% less oil than traditional frying, you're getting healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Now, some people complained about the app connectivity being glitchy. Here's the thing though, you don't actually need the app to use this thing. All the core functions work perfectly offline and the included recipe book has solid basics. The ceramic coating is durable, but if you scrub it too hard with metal utensils, it can scratch over time. Just use silicone or wooden tools and you're golden. This is perfect for you if you want powerful performance, easy cleanup, and versatile cooking modes like dehydrate and proof. Great for homemade jerky or rising dough. Skip this one if you absolutely need smart app control or plan on cooking for more than 4 regularly. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Product number 2, Emeril Lagasse 26QT French Door. Now, if Cosori's compact size felt limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Emeril Lagasse 26QT French Door Combo. At $216, it's definitely an investment, but you're getting a full countertop oven with air fry capabilities. If you want one appliance that replaces your toaster, oven, and air fryer, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 24.6 liters of space, you can rotisserie a 6-pound chicken, bake a 12-inch pizza, or air fry enough wings for a party. The dual-speed fan ensures even heat distribution and the French doors open smoothly with interior lighting, so you can check on your roast without losing heat. It also has 24 cooking functions, including dehydrate and broil, making it ideal for meal preppers or large families. The stainless steel exterior looks sleek on any countertop, and the automatic shutoff gives peace of mind. Now, some people complained it takes up a lot of counter space, and they're not wrong. At nearly 17 inches deep, you'll need a dedicated spot. Also, while it air fries well, it's not as fast as a dedicated basket-style fryer for small batches. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 4-6 people regularly, that extra space is a lifesaver. And cleanup is easier than you'd think thanks to removable trays and a non-stick interior. This is perfect for you if you host often, have a big family, or hate clutter from multiple appliances. Skip this one if you're in a small kitchen or only cook for 1 or 2. It's pricey, but for what it replaces, it's solid value. Product number 3, Cuisinart TOA NUS 8-in-1. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision cooks, the Cuisinart TOA 70 NUS. At $239, it's the priciest here, but Cuisinart is known for reliability. If you want consistent results and professional-grade build quality, this one stands out. That means faster preheating and even browning, whether you're baking cookies or air frying wings. It fits 6 slices of toast or a 4-pound chicken, and the 60-minute timer with auto shutoff prevents overcooking. The wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees F gives you full control, and the included grill griddle adds versatility for pancakes or grilled cheese. Now, some people complain the interface feels a bit outdated with dials instead of a touchscreen. Here's the thing though, dials are actually more durable and intuitive for quick adjustments. No lag, no accidental taps. The real downside, it's heavy, over 20 pounds, so once you place it, you probably won't move it often. Also, the air fry basket is smaller than expected for the overall size. This is perfect for you if you value build quality, even heating, and don't mind a classic control layout. Skip this one if you want flashy tech or plan to move it around frequently. It's expensive, but if you treat it right, it'll last years. Product number 4, Chefman TurboFry 8QT. Now, if Cuisinart's size and price gave you pause, this next one brings big capacity at a friendly price. The Chefman TurboFry 8QT. At just $114, it's a steal for an 8-quart unit. If you want to cook large batches without breaking the bank, this one's hard to ignore. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extra-large basket fits whole meals. Think 2 full racks of ribs or a family-sized batch of roasted veggies. The HI-Fry function blasts food with 450 degrees F heat in the final minutes for that perfect crunch. Plus, the LED shake reminder tells you exactly when to toss your fries so nothing burns. It's also top-rack dishwasher safe, which is a huge win after messy cooks. With 1700 watts of power, it heats up fast and maintains temperature well. Now, some people complain the exterior gets hot during use, especially around the top vent. Here's the thing though, that's normal for high-wattage air fryers. Just keep it away from cabinets and use oven mitts. Also, the plastic parts on the handle can feel a bit flimsy compared to all-metal builds, but it hasn't broken in real-world testing. This is perfect for you if you meal prep, have a big household, or love crispy snacks in bulk. Skip this one if you have very limited counter space or prefer all-metal construction. For under $120, it's one of the best value picks here. Product number 5, Chefman 10L Multifunctional Oven. Finally, if you want the biggest capacity possible without going full oven size, the Chefman 10L Multifunctional Oven delivers. At $101, it's the cheapest on this list, but don't let that fool you. If you want rotisserie chicken, dehydrated fruit, and air frying all in one, this is a surprising powerhouse. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 10 liters of space, you can cook a whole chicken on the rotisserie spit, included along with 3 racks and a drip tray. The 17 preset programs make it beginner-friendly, and the large window with interior light lets you watch your food without opening the door. It uses 98% less oil than deep frying, and the convection heating means no preheat needed. Just set it and walk away. Now, some people complain the touchscreen can be overly sensitive, sometimes registering taps when you're just wiping it down. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it's actually quite responsive. The bigger issue, the black exterior shows fingerprints like crazy. Keep a microfiber cloth handy. This is perfect for you if you want maximum functionality on a tight budget. Skip this one if you hate touchscreens or need something ultra sleek. So which stainless steel air fryer wins? If you want power and precision, go Kasari. Need massive capacity? Emerald's your guy. Cuisinart delivers pro-grade reliability. Chefman's 8QT offers the best balance of size and price, while the 10L model is a budget-friendly multitasker. No matter your kitchen or lifestyle, one of these will fit perfectly. Just pick based on what you actually cook.